everybody, I'm Susan from LVMore. I hope everybody's having a great Friday. It's Good Friday and Easter weekend, so I hope everybody's safe and having a good time with friends and family. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like and subscribe, is always appreciated. If you're returning, thanks so much for your support. I do appreciate it. I do have a Chanel unboxing, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, I have this. This was VIP makeup bag, basically. I guess if you spent a lot of money at Chanel, then they would give this to you free. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it looks like. That's the front. That's the back. Let's go ahead and unbox it and find out here. Okay, comes in a box like that. Tissue paper. Okay, that's nice. All right, it's kind of like fabric. It says Coco on there, and it has little makeup with some lips. And let's see here. More tissue paper, and it's that beautiful red. That true red that's very hard to get. Alright, so that's the first one. This was just inside with the silicone packet and some more tissue paper. You know, Chanel loves tissue paper, so they have a lot of it. So that's pretty cool. Alright, my next one that I got was Chanel eyeshadow. It comes in a package like that. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox that one, see what the colors are. Oh, and they give you a little lookbook, so you can kind of practice how to do different things. That's pretty nice. It comes in like a velvet little package, and then the eye color is like that. Okay, let's go ahead and get this open and see what it actually looks like. Alright, it comes with a couple adapters, a mirror, and little plastic thing over the colors. Colors are nice. Looks like they'll be pretty good for Makeup Monday and blending. And I'll leave all the colors and the description in the description box below there to make it a little bit easier. So that's the first one. And I'll go ahead and put that in my Coco makeup pouch. So that's pretty cool. And it just goes right in there. It says Chanel on there. Comes in a nice box. Okay, yeah, that fits pretty good. Stick it over there. Alright, next one. This one is eyeshadow as well. Chanel. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox that one. Comes in a velvet pouch as well. Okay, these are pretty nice. Chanel logo. Okay. Alright, comes with a plastic with the applicator. There's two there, which is nice. Comes with the full-size mirror. And then those are all the colors. So they should go together fairly good too. Alright, so I'll be looking forward to using these. And then the mirror is right up there. Yeah, those are really nice. Alright, that's my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's having a safe day with friends and family for the Easter holiday. If you don't celebrate Easter, then celebrate. I hope you're celebrating whatever you celebrate, basically, but we celebrate Easter. And on Sunday, me and my husband are going to have ham, yams, potato, and that should do it for Sunday Easter dinner. So what are you guys having for Easter dinner? Leave it below, and until next time, thanks for watching LV and More. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.